Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in the previous video we have discussed how we build the NPR system, number plate recognition system. So in this video let's see how we find the details in the document. For example, this is a document. Here I want to search the date. Using regular expression we can find the dates. Also any other data we can find using regular expressions. So first let's see how we find these dates and how we extract these dates only from this document. For this I'm going to create a new file, research.py. So here we need Tesseract and import CV2, import mat.lib and import re. Now here first we'll create a function to show image, and now read the image. So this should be table underscore test.jpg. So let's first see how it is coming. Yeah, so this is the image we are reading. So let's first convert this image to RGB. CV2.cbt color. Let's see how. Yeah, so it is looking like this after converting into RGB. And now add the custom configuration to read the data. We don't need the PSM over here. We're reading a document. First let's see without PSM. Now we read the data from image by Tesseract image to data. So this will come as output. So this is Portuguese language. I'm using POR. So let's first see how this result will come. So this result will extract the data, entire data from this document. So as we previously discussed, what are these page numbers and block numbers and line numbers, everything. So here we see the text in the text block. Let's extract only text from here. Yeah, now we see only text. Here we see the dates. So these dates we have to extract from this table test image. So here we see two types of dates we have. So let's extract this date, month and year format first. So here I have a pattern. So this will extract date, month and year. So same pattern I'm going to use over here. So this pattern will extract date and month and year. What we have here. So here let's find the date using regular expression. Okay. Let's 1 second. So here we see dates are extracted. Okay, now dates are extracted, but I want to search for this type of dates also. This is month and year. So here let's see how we can find that. Let's create one more pattern. Copy this pattern and we no need the first one, directly month we can get. Now let's do pattern 2. Yeah, now you can see this type of pattern is also got extracted using the pattern which we gave. We have why it is coming 4 times, because we have that similar pattern over here. It is searching for this pattern, even it is in the middle of this pattern, it will search. Okay, now let's see how we bound the box over here using filtered data. So we have filtered the data which we required. So I'd like to fill a pattern box over there. So for that, let's take the n value and range, put text if not found, leave it blank, cv2 dot rectangle. So here I'll explain what I'm doing. So here I'm taking the length and I'm looping through. So here we will get the data, and taking x and y coordinates, and here when the pattern is matched with this date pattern, get this one. We can use search also. Let's see, first match, let's see what it is doing. So when it is matched, so we want to create a box over there. Let's see, the text I don't want to put right now. When we not get any data, so even though create a rectangle, but the color is different. So let's first see what is happening over there. You can see whichever is matched, it is coming in green, whichever is not matched, it is coming in blue. Let's do one thing. I don't want to get this else section. Yeah, here you can see the matched data only grabbed and given a box. Okay, now I want to give some padding and you can understand easily. So here minus padding, yeah, now you can see exact box is coming the location where we want. Let's do for this also. I want to put the text now. The text is coming in red color. Okay, so this is how we extract or search the data inside the document. So we can search any strings also, like this scenario. Whenever we need the dates or any number like a unique identity in the document, or if we want to read all the account numbers from any document or any bank statement, we can read using unique identifier like the pattern for the regex, and we can read the data like this. So when we give the cells, you can now understand it will come in different color. Yeah, it is clumsy because the data is very strong enough. I mean, the data is arranged very close to other data, so that is the reason it is clubbed up. So if we remove this one, here I will add padding. Now you can see we are able to visible the data with boxes. Whichever is not find is blue, whichever is find is in green. So in this all lectures we have did learn how to extract the data from the image using Tesseract OCR, and how we use the trained data in local, and what is PSM, page segment mode, and how we use this page segment mode in data extraction. Like we used 6 for set of block and 7 for single line, and what is bounding box and how we bind the bounding boxes, and what is image processing, the initial image processing we have did for number plate recognition, and any other data extraction image processing will be used mostly for easy extraction and searching data inside the image using regular expressions. So we can pass any type of patterns to extract the data how we need. So these all major practical requirements are used in many projects. Like for NPR we use for automatic number plate recognition projects, and this searching data in image using regular expressions we can use this in big data analysis to extract the data from the image for taking the information of any uh, customer or client's information. So this is most useful feature for searching the data inside. For example, if you have any invoice, so that we need to convert to a Excel sheet, so that we can write multiple patterns to detect the data and convert it to CSV or Excel sheet. And this page segment mode will help more in this type of projects like number plate recognition and searching data. And for bounding boxes we use this bound boxes for number plate recognition, and mostly for searching the data and processing the data. So this is how we uh, use OCR, and this is how Tesseract OCR will help us to get the information. I did covered most of the practical required projects actually. So this is most more enough to create a tested projects.